Okay. Now let's discuss 2025 revision. A revision plan. 2025 revision plan. Now we are planning to start our revision, right? June onwards. June first week onwards. So June, July, August, September, October. So November you have exam. So this is a 5-month plan. Okay, this is a 5-month plan. Then each month, each week, you have 2 sessions. Okay, still didn't decide the date, but anyhow, you have 2 sessions per week. It means a fixed date. Okay, from 8:30 to 1:30. Okay, so 5 hours. 5 hours. Then likewise, you have 2 sessions. It means 10 hours per week. Right, 10 hours per week. So how many units we should cover? 14 units. So first of all, you should know how many marks are allocated for these 14 units, right? How many marks are allocated for these 14 units? Normally, when you take unit 1, normally around 3 to 4 marks allocated for unit 1, between 3 to 4. Okay. Unit 2 means it is an area where they have allocated 6 to 7 marks. Unit 3, normally a calculation area, very important for many lessons, right? So they have allocated 3 to 4 marks for this. I'm talking about 100 out of 3 to 4 marks, including MCQs, everything. Okay. 3 to 4 marks. Fourth lesson, around 4 to 5 marks. Fifth lesson, although it's a short unit, but it has a good amount of marks, nearly 8 to 9. Between 8 to 9, you have marks in this. Sixth mean one of the main lesson. Sixth mean one of the main lesson in organic, right? Complete inorganic is in this. So 22 to 23 marks allocated for this. And also unit 3 is supporting unit 6. Okay. Because without unit 3, you can't do many. A very important thing, although 3 to 4 marks in unit 3, but it's a very important lesson for many rounds. And unit 7, yeah, I'll take 7 here. 7, 8, 9, 10. All comes under organic. 7, 8, 9, 10. So for organic, around 23 to 24 marks allocated for organic. 23 to 24 marks. Then 11th, okay, 11th unit, around 6 to 7 marks allocated for 11th unit. 12th unit, around 18 to 19 marks allocated for this. Around 18 to 19 marks allocated for 12th unit. And 13th unit, 5 to 6 marks. The 14th lesson is actually industrial chemistry. It's an area where you have to learn, and through that, you have to study the stuff. You have to learn that part. You have to think, but we will do like for memory tips. We will use so many tips for this, but a big amount of marks is allocated for this, around 12 to 13 marks. So this is the first thing you should know. Like you should know the importance of each lesson. Like what are the marks allocated for each lesson, right? You should know about this. And now we have, okay, then June mean how many sessions? 8 sessions. July, 8 sessions. August, 8. September, 8. October, 8. And November, we get 1 or 2 days. I think we will have around 2 sessions, right? Methaning, we are completing this entire syllabus. We are completing this entire syllabus, okay, by giving fast tips. Again, we will cover everything. Because during a theory class, we are speaking broadly. It's another how we are practicing this. We are practicing for the paper. Okay, you have to write the paper, and we are practicing for the paper. Questions will come like this. You have to practice. We will practice this, so we can do this. It's not a big thing. Okay, so we are expert in doing revision. We fast tracks currently. We are speed. We are experts. So any time make a chemistry fast track program. Okay, chemistry fast track program. 5 months entire syllabus will finish. Right, make up you will have a session, right? Paper session right? You have to come and write the paper. You full paper, right? right? You have to come and write the full papers in 5 months. Okay, very important. Full paper set එක very important, and don't think this sessions යන්නේ මේ order එකට නෙමෙයි පුතා, right? These sessions won't go in order. If you for June වල 1 2 3 4 5 ඔහොම units ඔහොම යන්නේ නැහැ, right? එහෙම යන්නේ නැහැ. We will do according to the marks යන පිළිවෙලට තමයි we will do. ඒ කියන්නේ we will do the 14th lesson like July August වෙද්දී ඕක කරනවා. So you will have some time to learn that. හරිද? ඒකේ පොඩක් ගන්න තියෙනවා. එතකොට මේ වගේ lessons organic we are doing in the beginning. ඒකට ආයේ first ඉඳන් full revise කරලා ඒකට යන paper set එක ඕම කරගෙන තමයි මේ series එක යන්නේ, right? So very well planned program. වල ඕන එකෙක්ට you might be any level. හරිද? මේ ඕන එකෙක්ට ඔය ඒක ගන්න පුළුවන් මේක හරියට follow කරන්න. මේකම හරියට follow කරනවා you can go find it. ඒකට දැන් මෙතන අර O level දැන් කවුරු හරි A level fail වෙලා ඉන්න කෙනෙක් හිතමු. Someone who has failed A level. I think A level වල S එකක් C එකක් තියෙන එක්කනේ. Right? Even for them, they have a good opportunity to participate for this session and build up their A. Right? It means your knowledge might be zero, no problem at all. මෙතන ඇවිල්ලා ඔය revision එක full ම cover කරගන්න පුළුවන් පුතා. And there's a separate paper series going on. ඒ papers ඇවිල්ලා ඕගොල්ලෝ ලියන්න ඕනේ. ඒ ලියන papers we will correct. එහෙම series එකකුත් යනවා. يعني ඒක this is but ඒකසන්නයක් විදියට we won't do discussion, right? ඒකේ you will have paper ඒකේ correction ටික බලලා you can see your marks. You might be whatever marks, you might be in whatever marks, right? But please come and write this paper. Papers ඇවිල්ලා එතන ඇවිල්ලා ඒ full papers දීලා බලන්න. Then you will get a good understanding and good exposure for the papers. So again, a well-planned program. And Lisa, please pass this message to our friends who are in trouble, right? Who are in difficulty to get an A for chemistry, right? One of the best program you can participate, right? I think මෙහෙම තමයි මේ revision program එක යන්නේ, right? මෙහෙම යන set එකේ sometimes you might have some extra sessions විදියට, sometimes you will have, sometimes, right? In case if we want, we will have that. But මේ sessions ටික හොඳට වැටි to cover up these things. And as now when we are doing theory classes, we will take more sessions to cover up a part. Unit 1 එකක් cover කරනවා කියන්නේ we will take 1 hour, 1.5 hour වලින් unit 1 එකක් cover කරලා දාන්න. Unit 2 එකක් cover කරන්න normally in theory classes we are taking so many days. But in a revision class we will take around 2 to 3 hours වලින් උතන ඕක cover කරලා දාන්න. Right? Entire unit 2. Unit 3 තේ වගේ. තට කතා කාලා මේක යන්නේ. يعني මේ understand කරගන්න බැරි විදියට නෙමෙයි පුතා. You can understand, right? ඒකත් එක්කම recording එකත් යනවා. ඒ recording එකත් එක්කම you can follow the recording as well. ඒ වගේ superior තම යන session එක anyone can come and participate. ඒකේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ A එක මොකද්ද? ඒක confirm කරගන්නේ තමයි සිද්ධිය තියෙන්නේ. right? එහෙනම් හොඳට ගැම්මක් දාලා වැඩ කරමු. right? walker abstract වෙන කෙනෙක්ට වුණත් they can use this session. හරිද? කොහොම තමයි ඔක යන්නේ අපේ මොකද්ද revision එක. නිසා we'll start from June first week onwards. අපි date එක කවදද තියෙන්නේ කියලා ඒ ඔක්කොම we will put. ඒ වගේ දැන් if someone හරිද? දැන් මේ කවුරු හරි මේ අහගෙන ඉන්න කෙනෙක්, right? If you want to know about more things, right? I will put the WhatsApp group link. ඒකත් එක්ක ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මොකද්ද join වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. right? කාට හරි ඕන කෙනෙක් ඉන්න. හරිද? ඔයගොල්ලන්ට you can share these links towards with your friends. ඉතින් ඒගොල්ලොත් ඕන කට්ටිය ඉන්නවනම් ඒගොල්ලෝ join වෙලා they will get the maximum use from this session. හරිද? ඒක තමයි ඔක යන්නේ. right? හරියට අපි වැඩේ කරගමු.